Hey everyone, I'm Seth Reed at Darwin Perennials, and I'm at the Costa Farms Trial in Miami talking about some of the best performing plants we have in the trial. This here is Goldcrest Caryopteris. So this is a Zone 6 perennial. You can see it has really amazing chartreuse color, so it's that ideal container plant in the north. If you're looking for something that will behave and stay contained. In the south, this thing will be more like a shrub. It does have bright blue flowers in the fall. You can see down here, we're just starting to come into bud. I'm pumped about our Salvia Blue by You that we have here in the garden. This was selected as an All-America Selections winner on a national level. This is one of the best performing Salvia numerosa types out there. It blooms earlier than other varieties. You can see here it's been in bloom for a couple weeks. You give it a cut back, it reflushes. You give it another cut back, reflushes up to 5 times a season. Also has amazing habit after several years in the garden. This is one Salvia you definitely need in your garden or your retail center. Our Penstemon Rock Candy series is dynamite in the garden. You have a great pollinator, a great drought-resistant variety. What you see here, it's been in bloom for a few weeks now. The great thing about this variety, it has a long bloom season. So you'll have some blooms that are done blooming. You have other blooms that have been in bloom for a couple of weeks, and then you have a ton of new flower buds coming up. So you really have 4 to 6 weeks in the garden of great color. The Armeria Drumeria series is unlike any other Armeria. Typical Armeria have that big spring push, but then they fizzle out in the summer. Down here in Miami, you can see that these are holding up to mid 80 degrees. The Drumeria series is still that spring push, will bloom throughout the summer, and then you have a great fall push of flowers as well. That's why Armeria Drumeria is the only Armeria you should do.